Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my deep conditioning routine for dry, natural hair. This is also to help promote strength and growth. Today I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment, and I'm going to be using the HEYY Organics Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner, as well as the HEYY Organics Mint and Almond Oil. If you guys are looking for something just to help with strengthening your hair and hydrating it, this is definitely the concoction for you, okay? I've been using this, and I'm gonna insert a clip of my hair. My hair has went from literally dry to moisturized. Also, I've changed my wash and go product, so that helps too. But doing this consistently and just getting back to taking care of my hair, I've really seen a big difference. I'm gonna be honest, as my hair has gotten longer, I've become a bit lazy. So I'm trying to get back into my routine of weekly deep conditioning and doing hot oil treatments on my scalp. So first things first, I'm using the mint almond oil from HEYY Organics to do a hot oil treatment on my scalp, and a lot of people do this on their hair and scalp. I usually do all of it, but I couldn't find my water bottle, so I just did my scalp. My scalp is very itchy, and sometimes I can only go a couple days without doing another wash day because my scalp just is so itchy. So I just do this to kind of replenish my scalp. As you guys can see, I've already cleansed my hair and washed the oils out, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the deep conditioner mix. Now, a little bit about these deep conditioners that I'm using. The HEYY Organics Deep Conditioner has been one of my favorites since day one. I've used a bunch of deep conditioners, and I have a lot of favorites. Well, I'll say about 4 or 5. This is one out of my 5 favorite deep conditioners. It is kind of pricey. It's $14.99. It's not as thick as I would want my deep conditioner to be. It has a plus to it because a little bit goes a long way, and it may be a little watery, but it is just super moisturizing, and I love the mint feeling it gives my hair. And it also does have slip, and if you don't know what slip means, it just means it does help you detangle your hair. So I definitely love this. If I'm feeling like my hair is just super dry and I really want to give my hair a pick me up, I'll grab this one. Since it's $14.99, I'm not going to be using it every single wash day. Now, also, these both are protein conditioners. So if you are protein sensitive and you want me to make a deep conditioning routine with protein free deep conditioners, let me know, because I also use those as well. I kind of rotate different weeks. I use a protein and some I don't. Now for the next one, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Power Protein Treatment. That's such a long name. This one is supposed to help repair your damage from overprocessing. Now, I don't believe anything besides a haircut can repair, heat damage or something like that. But I do feel like really taking the time to deep condition your hair does put something back into it. I personally can see a big difference when I'm consistent with my regimen and deep conditioning weekly. So this deep conditioner is super thick, like thick, okay? I love it. It's very buttery and it just feels so moisturizing on my hair. It doesn't have much slip, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend you to put this on and try to detangle your hair, but I definitely recommend mixing it with something or detangling your hair beforehand and applying it, because it definitely just feels extremely moisturizing, and this combination leaves my hair soft and my curls popping every single time. My hair has been extremely dry, and I just feel like taking these steps out every single time of wash day to deep condition my hair and sit under the dryer to allow it to really penetrate my strands has really been doing wonders for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this deep conditioning routine. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below what some deep conditioners that I should try. Follow me on Instagram at Ciara. Love and blessings, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.